Abrantes kitchen sink faucet with pull-out sprayer. Product code BS269KFI. Retail price $305. Sale price $247. Easy to use and to install, Abrantes is a modern kitchen faucet with a compact yet elegant design. It comes with a pull-down sprayer and a choice of stream or spray water flow, so it can suit all your needs and help you reach easily exactly where you need it. It is deck mount, it requires one hole for installation, and it had one handle with built-in hot and cold water mixer. Only the best quality materials have been used for a long-lasting lifetime. It comes complete with accessories and installation instructions. Abrantes kitchen sink faucet with pull-out sprayer features. Brand name FontanaShowers. Model number BS269KFI. Type sink faucet. Installation type deck mount. Style modern. Finish brushed nickel. Construction material brass, zinc alloy. Handle material metal. Overall height 17. Spout reach 8.38. Flow rate 1.8 GPM gallons per minute. Number of handle 1. Valve type ceramic disc valve. Hose included? Yes. Hose connection type 3/8.